G'day guys, welcome to our video review. I'm Scott.
I'm Lee.
You do it so much better than I do. And, today we'll be reviewing the Well MRTs. So
the second coming of the brand new wells. So let's get right on into this review, Scotty.
Let's start the unboxing. Alright, so laid out in front of us is what we have in the box. We have the MRT, so M4, mid-range tactical. Have a 7-volt battery long, some gels, new design PMag from Well, a USB 7-volt charger cable. Almost forgot what I was saying for a sec. Stop and Think campaign from the Queensland Police. Treat that as your Bible. We have the safety for battery charging as well. It's Bible Part 2.
It's your Talmud.
And then we have our Chinese IKEA catalogue for how to put it together. Good part is it's pretty simple to put together, so you can just follow the pictures. Do you want me to put it together, or do you want to put it together? You got your hands full.
I've got my hands full with this beautiful thing right here, so
oh, thank you.
You chuck it together.
So the good part about it is silver wiring as well. So
that is the same with the CQB wells also. They both come with the new upgraded silver wire. But we will get into that more on the overview.
So always make sure with your wires you never pinch them. Because then you'll be into one of our stores, one of our 15, to get a tech to redo it for you.
Check it out.
It's alright, if you ever do, I've done it a few times.
With the stocks, that's right. Stick it between the legs is always easiest.
Just don't do it with too much gusto. Alright, so that's it. So flip up sides, up or down, it's your choice. Let's kick on. So overview.
Alright guys, so you can hold that one, Scotty, and I'll just...
You're so generous.
I'll just talk about my own one. Mine's better than yours. Alright, let's start at the front end, guys. So we have nylon flash hider, nylon front guard. We've got aluminium outer barrel, aluminium inner barrel. They do measure up at the 9mm outer, 7.5 inner. We've got nylon receiver, upper and lower, ABS plastic PMag. So this is the new style mags, just like your Gen 8 style, with your Wells specific terminal placement. Very nice new addition to the new Wells range. I really do like the PMags, so I'm a bit of a fan there. Got nylon handle, running a 480 motor, nylon trigger. One of the favourite parts about them, normal dust cover operation, nylon dust cover, new nylon upgraded gearbox, guys. So this is a lot stronger than the original Wells gearboxes. Those polycarb gearboxes with 1.25 springs used to blow to pieces. Even the softer 1.2 springs still used to blow them up. The front ends used to blow right off. So definite upgrade there, solid upgrade. They are also running the one-piece T-pieces, so black nylon single piece T-piece. Very nice addition there as well to this blaster. They are running your aluminium style cylinder with a port just like the previous models, so they're ported around that 65%. 18:1 nylon gear set, 7.4 volt battery. They are running plastic buffer tube with nylon sling mount at the rear. New upgraded style charging handle. A little bit of a different style here around your well, I'm having a mind blank here,
Forward
Scott.
bolt assist.
That's the one, as Scott just said. And yeah, otherwise, guys, Yeah, V2 gearbox again, 480 motor, full nylon setup. Yeah.
Sling mount.
Sling mount, I just went over that. It's nylon. What can I say? Navy style rear stock as well, which is nylon. And it does have a very nice rubber pad on the end of it. So, very nice. Awesome.
14mm CCW for
Yeah.
your flash hider as well.
Counterclockwise, little flash hider there as well. If I release this one, you'll be able to see that nice shiny barrel there as well. So, very nice. Yeah, well, it was great to actually go to the well factory and actually work in with the engineers there. They definitely listened to what we had to say, and they were very kind with coming forward with, we changed the grips, we changed the charge handle, we got them to upgrade the gearbox for us. So it's great to improve on these relationships and bring out nicer products.
Let's go to ratings.
Yeah, basically, as we do with all our blasters here at Sunny Coast M4A1, we have a little rating system. We go over 4 categories and we rate them all out of 10. First up, Scotty, looks. How are you going to rate your MRT on looks out of 10?
It's black.
Yep.
Clean. Got nice lines, but I do prefer the shorty look. So 7.5 for me.
Yep.
Even though I do like how it's inspired by the Midwest Industries front. So I do like the navy stock. I'm coming around to it more.
Yep.
But yeah, I'll give it a 7.5.
Yep. Yeah, and for myself, guys, looks wise for this blaster, it is a very nice blaster. It is another M4. The front end is a little bit different. It is nice and solid. Overall, with the difference in charge handle, the iron sights are a little bit different to what we've seen. Front end is a little bit different, although similar. But the wells with a P-mag, different style grip. Yeah, I'd give this one a solid 7 as well. 5 power, guys. Alright, well, you go first, Scotty.
Well, as you said, 220 from factory.
Yep.
But the ability with that gearbox to mod the bejeebers out of.
Yep.
I'll give it, mainly because it is a long barrel as well, from factory, I'll give it a 7.
Yep.
But the ability to mod it up, we'll cover that later. So a 7 for 5 power.
Yep, for myself, guys, I'd be giving it around that 6.5 to 7 as well. It is a 7.4, 18 to 1s. It is no powerhouse. It is shooting around those 12 rounds a second. Great entry level blaster. Yep. Modability, next up. I'm going to beat you to it this time, Scott. 10 out of 10. It's a V2, it's a 480 motor, it's an M4 platform. Sky's the limit. Now your turn.
You took my cheat sheet. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So I'll give it a 10 as well.
Yep.
My trusty little sidekick.
Yep.
Took my number, my score.
Right. That's right.
Long barreled M4, V2 gearbox.
Yep.
Awesome little gearbox from well, and you can stick that metal gearbox into it or a billet gearbox.
Definitely.
All those words you say that I have no real understanding of.
That's right.
I'll beat you to it this time.
You can put stuff in it.
Yeah. I can hand it to him and he makes it go fast.
Well, that'll lead us right into the next one, Scott. Durability wise.
Yeah.
What are you going to rate this blaster?
For this one, I'm going to give it a 9. I'd probably give it a 10 if it had a metal buff tube.
Yep.
But just even like the little attention to detail parts, like the little tabs in here.
Yep.
Just make it that bit more sturdy.
Yep.
Good nylon. Upgraded gearbox. Can't thank well enough for that.
Yep.
I'd smashed, since my V1, a good 12 polycarb boxes. You've probably seen a lot more than that. Taking it. Yeah, so I'm going to give it a 10.
Yep.
So.
Yeah, for myself, guys, durability wise on this blaster, it's similar to Scott. If you are using this blaster correctly, keep it on your 7.4 volt, it's just going to keep running. I'd give it a solid 9. Straight out of the box, great blaster, very solid. Well, in conclusion, guys, wells.
Buy it.
MRT.
I'll bitch to it.
Come down here and buy one of these blasters.
Yeah, $200.
Yep.
Mid-range tactical, so
They are so cheap, guys, and so
for what you're getting,
yeah.
especially with that gearbox and as a platform to mod to your exact taste,
Yep.
to your money, your hobby, you do the stuff how you want it to be. Put your creative outlet into it, modify it, have fun, get out there, call your hits and have fun, really.
Yeah, you've got your nice barrel length there you can run, so you can push higher FPS with this one, still put a hop up on there and get some decent accuracy. Great blaster. I reckon you should definitely come on down into our shop, Sunny Coast, M4A1,
Or one of the other 14.
or one of the other 14.
Or
and,
online.
And if not, jump online. M4A1gelblaster.com.
Yeah.
Over $30, Scott.
Free shipping.
Free shipping.
We are on Instagram,
Facebook.
Make
Yep.
sure you like and subscribe all of them.
Yep,
You never know when a competition may be coming out.
that's right.
We might not say it here, but if you're following them, you could see them and go, oh, I can win one of these
That's right.
or one of the CQBs. So
Click that bell if you don't like the video.
subscribe, tag your friends.
Yeah, double dislike if you don't like
Yep.
it. We do want to see your comments down below. Yeah, otherwise,
Pretty much it.
that end part of the video, guys, we are right there.
It's the
Stop and think.
safety.
Stop and think time. All right, so let's refresh everybody's memory
Bible.
again.
Bible point one.
We're rocking up to Genesis right here, chapter 1. We have the Stop and Think campaign. Please, guys, if you have not read this one, definitely get online. Come into one of the shops. Every blaster you buy from us, you are going to receive this pamphlet.
So there is no excuse for going, I didn't know.
That's right. Your 10 commandments are within the paperwork right here.
Yeah, we don't want to have to keep on preaching it, but until everyone is in that habit and the knack of doing the right thing, stopping and thinking, not being that guy, we will have every video saying it. All our staff will do with every sale, giving you these as well.
Yep.
We will tell you, and it's not to drag on, but it's to make sure you're safe, you're looked after, you know the legislation.
So we will leave you there, guys. We'll stop preaching at you. But thank you for tuning in. My name is Lee.
I'm Scott.
We've been here at M4A1 Sunny Coast. Thanks for tuning in for this MRT Well Gel Blaster review. And we will see you next time. Take it easy.